Alright, hello everyone, I'm back again for another Android tutorial. In this video I will show you how to create a loading screen. Note that this is not a splash screen, but this is a substitute to ProgressDialog because it is deprecated. Okay, so let's start. In the layout package, let's create a layout for our loading screen. Let's name it loading screen. OK. Inside this string layout, let's add two views. The first view will be text view with a height and width of wrap content and text of let's see, please wait, and then text size of 20 sp. The next view will be the progress bar. Okay. Height and width of wrap content. And then next, indeterminate to true. Okay, let's set this background of color primary. Okay, let's make these two views to the center. Let's move it. Move this below the text view. Let's add a margin. Okay, and then let's make this text view or the text color to white. Okay, very nice. Let's move to styles.xml, and here let's add the style for our full screen dialog. Name it loading screen. Screen theme. Parent of theme app common path light dialog when large. Okay. Inside this, let's add a 3 item. First one will be status bar color to color primary dark, and then window no title to true. The last item will be window animation style, and this one animation that app compat dialog. Okay, and let's close this, and let's create a class for our loading screen. Name it loading screen superclass dialog fragment. Okay, and we need to override two methods. The first one will be onCreate, then the second one is onCreateView. Inside this onCreate, let's set the style for our loading screen. Pass the two arguments. The first one will be the style, so normal, and then the second one will be from here. Let's just copy this in a professional way. Okay. Inside this onCreate view, let's remove this line. Let's remove this and inflate the layout, this layout. Okay. Inflate that layout, then the loading screen, pass the container, false. I think we're done here. Oh, I forgot here. We need to create a instance for our loading screen. So let's create that. Get instance and return this class. Okay, I think we're done here. Close this, and here inside the onCreate, let's move the activity main. As you can see, I have this button, and if we click this button, the loading screen will show up. Okay, let's copy this ID and find the button by ID, paste, then set on click listener. Okay. At the top of this what do you call this button initialization, okay, whatever, you need to initialize the loading screen, the dialog fragment. Let's call it loading screen, and then get the instance of loading screen. Okay, then inside this onClick method, we should show this loading screen. Okay, let's show it. Get past the fragment manager and the tag. Let's call it loading screen, and then let's add a handler. Okay. Inside set it to 3 seconds, and inside this run method, the loading screen will dismiss. So let's do that. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, let me set up my emulator. It's from Genymotion. Okay. I will use the Samsung Galaxy S7. Let's wait for it. I think my emulator is ready for an action. So let's go to Android Studio. Let's run our application. Okay, after that, let's move to our app. Okay, so fucking slow. And then let's click the button. Okay, what is happening? Oh my, oh, did you see that? Well, it shows the loading screen, but the color of the progress bar is not. Doesn't look good, but it's okay. I hope it helps you. If it is, please subscribe to my channel and have a productive day.